Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have an iPad where basically is a stuck Apple logo. Now take note, all these are fixed. However, if you're having an issue where it's just stuck constantly on the Apple logo, I'm going to show you two things that you can do right now to get it up and running, okay? It's very, very simple. What we simply need to do is what is called a forced restart. This happens to all the iPads, the iPhones. This even happens to tablets and other phone brands as well, okay? It's very, very simple. It's a two-key combination. So what I want you to do right now is go ahead and grab your iPad, and it's a two-key combination, okay? And again, it doesn't matter which iPad you have. You have the iPad Air or any iPad generation, this is going to work, okay? So the home button and the power button. You want to press both of these buttons, press and hold at the same time, and continue to press until you see the Apple logo, okay? So ready? 1, 2, 3. Just press and hold. Continue to hold. I'm still holding onto both the buttons here. Wait till you see the Apple logo pops up. Just wait. Okay, now you can let go. And now your iPad should boot normally. Now the thing is, if it doesn't, go ahead and give this a try like 5 more times. If it still does not work, what you can do too is go ahead and plug in your iPad. This is a newer generation iPad. Use the lightning port. Even if you have the older iPads, which takes a different connector here, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and plug it in. And then you want to give it power. Go ahead and plug it into a laptop or a wall outlet or whatnot. Wait 10 minutes, okay? After 10 minutes, go ahead and grab your iPad while it is plugged in, and then you probably still see the Apple logo on here. Just same thing again. Home button and the power button. Both buttons press simultaneously and hold it down until you see the Apple logo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Continue to hold. Just wait. Again, these iPads are already fixed. Just wait. I'm holding on to both buttons still. All right. And there we go. Now our iPad should be up and running. And the same thing here. If it still doesn't work, if the Apple logo still stays there, go ahead and wait like 2 more minutes and then try it again. And try it like 5 more times while it's plugged in as well. Anyways, that should help most of you guys get your iPads up and running. If it did, give me a like, comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in a